So this is how it looks like when you're on the top of a mountain. Look at that. I'm too tired to be honest. Like honestly, I'm too tired. But if I'm gonna see this beautiful view at the top, dang, I love it. So have you seen Optimus Prime? One of the members of the Autobots. Well, while I'm here at Lamak, I'll show you. Because if you can see that one, that's the face of Optimus Prime. It's not a man-made, it is natural. So this time we're here sa pinakababa, and kung makikita ko yung mga bundok na nandun, makikita mo yung mukha ni Optimus Prime. And I'm about to show you mga mamsers kung gaano kaganda sa place na to. And it's amazing na makatake ng pictures dito sa part na to. Let's take a look at it. So yun na nga, yun na yung kabuuan dito sa Lamak, and I'm happy to show you yung mga bagay na yun. For my another video, don't forget to click that subscribe button mga mamsers and share my videos as well. Goodbye!